Welcome back to A Squared. Today I have another Wizarding World box from Loot Crate. So let's open it. Wait, this time it's Hagrid sticker. I don't know if that means anything, but I like Hagrid. It's cool. So first thing is this pumpkin. I don't know what it is. I think it's just like a stuffed thingy.
Remember at Halloween time, Hagrid has humongous pumpkins?
Yeah.
What's on it?
It's a griffin, I think. Or a phoenix. One of the two. Then I'm gonna this one next. Don't find the thingy, no bother. Don't find the thingy, no bother. Is this a bag? I think it's a bag. Oh, well, what is this? What? I am a chef now. That's not how you tie it. I don't care. It's giant. Oh, look, it has a thing. And it has a three-headed dog Fluffy on it. And a unicorn. I think this one's all about Hagrid. Because the three-headed dog Fluffy is his. And then he has Pumpkin. And then, is this more a pin? A giant pin? I think it is. I think this is a giant pin that says, wait! Okay. Oh, it says, it's Hagrid's, Hagrid's hut. That's what it says. That's the word. Next! A magnet?
What don't that?
Oh, goodness. Okay, so it's, a magnet that has, like, these things. I forget what they're called. Sticky note kind of things. I say happy, that has Harry's first birthday cake that Hagrid made for him. Happy birthday, Harry. And it has a pencil, too, that to match it, go with it. Wow. Next! Last thing. Ooh, this thing's heavy. I think it's a candle. What is it? That's a candle holder. I don't know if there's, it's Hagrid's lantern, that's what it's called. See if you look at what it says. Hagrid's lantern. Cool.
What does it say on it?
It says, what's coming with will come, and we'll need it when it does. Oh, wax on your finger. Cool. And that's it. Usually it comes with a, oh, there it is. It's Hagrid's Hut's crate. So it came with Care for Magical Creatures apron. So the apron. Hagrid's Hut mini mansion lantern. Mini mason lantern. Sorry. So yeah, when you light it up. And then we got Buckbeak pumpkin plush. Then we get the birthday cake sticky notes. And Hagrid's Hut pin. Cool. My favorite is probably Hagrid. I don't know, I just like it. So cool, this one was really cool. Okay, we're gonna put everything back now. Oh yeah. thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Go to our Instagram if you want to tell me what your favorite thing was in this. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye!